All right, so we are putting together our test set of cold emails. This one is I'm using Smartlead, by the way, so that's what I'm using now. This is just a test because not all of my inboxes are ready, but I do have 3 inboxes I can use. So we're just doing a test sequence that I refined in Claude a little bit. I'm still going to go over it, but I just put the 4 of these in here because I don't have a lot of cold email sending power. So I just put this in here so far. So I got the second, we got the third, and we got the fourth. So this is not in the final form yet. I'm just making sure this is in before I add the leads. And then I'm going to go back and kind of read these over again and make some more adjustments before any of these get sent out. So this is kind of the very beginning of it because I want to see what it looked like structure-wise. And then we're going to read over it again and make any corrections we need. And then once the leads are in, we can test to make sure that the right company names and names show up in here. And that's what we're going to do. Now, in this, we get to do some spin text, which I will use later. But right now, it's just getting these first 4 in there. Then we're going to add the leads in. And then we're going to go back and edit and make adjustments here. All right, so this is the first time this is the second time I've used Smartlead. This is the second campaign I'm using it for. So we're going to see how this works. Failure is okay. Just for anyone using cold email, failure is okay. It's just a data point, and this may not work. This sequence might be terrible. I'm not going to know until I really send it out. But this is just getting this together so that it's here, and we can add the things in and see where we're at. Yeah, I'll see where we're at. So we got a little bit of ways to go, but by today we should be able to send and start this test because the following week I'll be able to send out another 525 emails a day. Right now I only send like maybe 105. So this is all a test. We're gonna see how it works. If we get some good responses, perfect. If we don't, that's all right. That's just a data point. We know that these emails won't go out on the main campaign if that's what happens. So this is part of doing cold email for outreach is that you have to go through these tests. You're not going to know what works until you really, really do it. And so this is the ugly starts of putting these things together. Now stuff is a lot easier in terms of putting like cold email copy together because you have tools to help you. Plus you have your experience that you need to put in and hopefully research. Now I've done some research, so that's added into here, but will this work? Will this get opened? How many people will open? I don't know, but I hope there's enough. And if I'm lucky, I get a few positive responses and that'll be great. If not, that's okay. We're going to be working on this until we get this figured out as a premium or primary lead gen for us, which will be cold email before we get into doing any ads. So anyway, if you have questions about this stuff, make sure you put it in the comments. I'll let you know what my experience is using Smartleads, as we go along, as well as if you have any questions about how I put some of these emails together. We can do probably a video on Claude about that as well. I like using different LMMs for different email stuff because I have my ideas and I try to get some more ideas to possibly use. But at the end of the day, you can do that all you want until you actually launch. So this is the beginning of this right now. Make sure if you want to follow this series, then make sure you like and subscribe to the channel.